Amazon Best Product Reviewers. BD Technical Master. If you want to purchase anything from Amazon, please visit our channel to get best product on Amazon. Happy buying, partner. BD Technical Master presents top 5 best makeup organizer on Amazon reviews. Number 1. Ikee Design Makeup Organizer. Acrylic, imported. 2 pieces set organizes all jewelry and cosmetics in one place. Removable black mesh padding keeps jewelry protected and in place. Smoothly slides drawer, completely removable drawers and easy slide out. Number 2. AmeiTech Makeup Organizer. 360-degree rotating adjustable. Perfectly organizes and stores your cosmetics and accessories. Easy access to all of your makeup products. It's a perfect Christmas gift for your friends, family members, and any makeup lovers. Easy to be assembled and disassembled according to the user manual. DIY the makeup organizer and adjust the height of laminates as you like. Convenient to clean with removable design and washable material. Number 3. Relavel Makeup Organizer. Travel Makeup Train Case. This makeup bag is made of high-quality Oxford fabric, lining nylon. This makeup bag have enough space to storage your makeup and cosmetic accessories, like lipstick, lip gloss, makeup brushes, eyeshadow, makeup palettes, hair brushes, skincare products, nail polish, nail art tools, shampoo, and so on. This makeup bag have several compartments and makeup brushes slots. Number 4. Sorbus Makeup Organizer. 3 large, 4 small drawers, teal thrill. Organize all your makeup, cosmetics, and accessories into a dazzling personalized beauty counter or display. Clear style creates visually appealing display that coordinates beautifully with most decor. Great gift for any girl, teen, adult, beauty, fashion, and makeup lover. Can also be used to store jewelry, personal accessories, grooming tools, keepsakes, and much more. Number 5. Joligrace Makeup Organizer. Travel organizer with mirror and lock black pattern. The aluminum makeup box train case features enhanced cantilever structure with 3 cosmetic trays and a mirror attached on top tray. Provides makeup convenience. It survives other case by a detachable brush holder inside. This makeup case also includes a latch lock. Storage capacity is not to be doubted on the makeup case as the bottom compartment is 7 cm height. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe our channel to stay updated and find the product links in the video description.